We've got awesome online money tips for you. Just remember, watch the whole video to get all the good stuff. Are you someone who enjoys staying home rather than going to an office? Tired of commuting every day? Think that travel time could be better spent? If you said yes, then you're in for a treat with this video. Hi there, Luxo lovers! How's it going? We really hope you're doing great. Today's video is all about different ways to make money online. But before we jump in, we've got to give you a big thank you. Your support for Luxo-Life means the world to us. And hey, could you do us a small favor? Give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and share it with your pals too. Your help makes Luxo-Life even better. Let's begin. Making money online is like finding a treasure trove on the internet. Instead of going to a regular workplace, you can do things using your computer or phone right from your comfy spot at home. It's like having a virtual job or business where you can earn money by doing different tasks or offering services. Some people create videos or write stuff, while others sell things or help companies manage their social media. The cool part is, you get to decide when and how you work, and the internet becomes your playground for making money happen. If you want to make some money online, creating YouTube content could be the right path for you to take. You've probably heard of YouTubers, those cool folks who whip up videos on YouTube for everyone to watch. Let's dive in and check out what this is all about. First off, guess what? A YouTube channel can be created without ever revealing your face. Yup, that's right. Some creators choose to share their content without revealing their faces on camera. It's all about being comfortable and finding what works for you. And here's the juicy bit. These content creators, aka YouTubers, craft videos on all sorts of topics, just like your interests or hobbies. That's where finding your own unique niche comes in. Finding a niche is like discovering your special zone in the YouTube universe. You pick something you're passionate about, could be cooking, gaming, or even pet tricks, and you create videos around that. The goal is to offer value to your audience, so if you're into cooking, you might show them how to whip up delicious recipes or share cooking tips and tricks. Valuable content is like a gift you give your viewers, something they enjoy watching and learning from. Now let's talk about the magic of SEO and thumbnail creation. SEO sounds fancy, but it's just about using the right words so people can find your videos easily. Think of it as guiding viewers to your video treasure chest. And thumbnails? Those are like mini movie posters for your videos. They need to be catchy, intriguing, and make folks want to click and watch. These little tricks help you stand out in the YouTube jungle. Okay, here's where it gets even more interesting. The money part. You can earn through different avenues. First, there's ad revenue, those short ads you see before or during videos. You get a slice of the pie when viewers watch those ads on your videos. Then there are sponsorships, companies paying you to talk about their products or services in your videos. And don't forget affiliate marketing. You earn a commission when viewers buy stuff through your special links. But keep in mind that achievement takes time. It all comes down to commitment and perseverance. Building a YouTube channel takes time, effort, and love for what you're doing. You might not become a star right away, but if you keep at it, your channel can grow and your income can too. So whether you're showing your face or not, finding your niche, mastering SEO and thumbnails, cashing in on ad revenue and sponsorships, or simply dedicating yourself, making money on YouTube is a journey. Ready to take the plunge and see where it leads? Let us know in the comment section below. Since we're chatting about all things YouTube, let's dive into a fascinating aspect: automated channels. Ever heard of them? They're like your digital sidekicks, tirelessly creating and sharing content without you needing to be on camera every single time. Imagine this: your YouTube channel buzzing with videos, even while you're catching up on sleep or savoring a cup of cocoa. These automated channels work their magic using smart tools to weave together content and keep your viewers entertained. And guess what? These channels can become your money-making pals, even while you're catching some Z's. Yep, you read that right. Automated channels can be your doorway to passive income. You do the initial work of setting things up, and then you can watch the cash flow in, like a gentle stream turning into a river over time. These digital treasures, your videos, can become a consistent source of income without constant hustle. Now here's the icing on the cake. Getting started won't cost you a dime. Unlike traditional businesses that often demand hefty investments, launching an automated YouTube channel doesn't need a big financial commitment. You can create your content using free or budget-friendly tools, and those videos become your valuable assets. This low-cost entry makes it feasible for anyone to dip their toes into the world of online income. All it takes is a sprinkle of creativity, a dash of tech savviness, and the eagerness to learn and adapt. So as we sail through the sea of YouTube opportunities, don't underestimate the power of automated channels. They offer a pathway to earning while you sleep, transform your content into digital treasures, and open doors to the realm of passive earnings. Plus, with no hefty upfront investment, you can embark on your online money-making adventure without breaking the bank. Sounds thrilling, right? If YouTube isn't something you like, you might want to try e-commerce. It's like having an online store where you sell things without needing a physical shop. Let's talk about this option and see if it interests you. Imagine having a virtual store where you sell things people want. You have different products, and customers can shop from their computers or phones. This is called inventory-based e-commerce, kind of like having your own shop on the internet. You can sell anything from clothes to cool gadgets. There are so many possibilities. But here's what's cool. You can do more than just sell. You can also share your journey as a small business owner. Talk about what you're learning, the challenges you face, and the good things too. It's like letting your customers see the real you behind the products. And guess what? You can create things like blogs or videos to tell your story. This makes your store feel more personal, and your customers can be a part of your journey. Think of e-commerce as having a mini online business. You're not only selling things, you're also making a brand, connecting with customers, and making shopping special. It's like having a little shop in your neighborhood, but now it's on the internet. This mix of business and being online is a modern way to do small business, where what you love meets the virtual world. So if you're not into YouTube, e-commerce could be something you'll like. Here's another choice: print on demand. It's like having a way to sell your own prints or designs on clothes. Let's take a closer look at this option and see if it fits your interests. Imagine this. You're an artist or a designer, and you've got awesome creations. With print on demand, you can put your designs on things like shirts, hoodies, or even phone cases. When someone wants one of your items, it gets printed and sent to them. You don't have to worry about keeping a bunch of stuff in stock. This makes it super handy. Print on demand is especially great for creative folks like artists. You can turn your art into cool merchandise without having to handle all the production stuff. People can buy things with your designs, and you earn money from it. Plus, customers get to wear or use something unique that you made. How cool is that? And guess what? You don't need to manage a warehouse or keep track of inventory. When someone orders, the printing and shipping happen without you having to lift a finger. It's like having your own little shop without all the extra work. So if you're an artist or someone who loves making cool designs, print on demand could be a fantastic choice for you. How about giving freelancing a shot? You might want to check out platforms like Fiverr. Freelancing is like offering your skills and services to people who need them. Let's delve into this option and see if it's something that could work for you. Picture this. You've got skills. Maybe you're great at video editing, doing voiceovers, or something else. On platforms like Fiverr, you can list your skills and offer services to folks who want them. Someone might need a video edited, and you can do that for them. It's like being a virtual helper for different tasks. Freelancing on platforms like Fiverr opens up a world of possibilities. You can turn your skills into money by helping others with things you're good at. Maybe you're a wizard with words and can write awesome content. Or perhaps you've got a knack for designing logos. It's all about doing what you're good at and making money from it. This option is great for people who have skills to sell. It's like having a little online shop for your abilities. You can offer your services to people who need them and earn money in return. And the best part? You get to work on things you enjoy and get paid for doing them. So if you're someone with talents to share, freelancing on platforms like Fiverr might just be the perfect route for you. Haven't quite found the right fit yet? Well, there's still one more option on the table for you to explore: TikTok live streaming. TikTok is a platform that's gained a lot of popularity these days. Let's take a closer look at how you can potentially turn TikTok into a source of income. Ever thought about going live on TikTok? It's like having your very own live show where you connect with people in real time. And here's the exciting part: you might be able to make money while you're at it. Viewers can send you virtual gifts as a way of appreciating your content. These virtual gifts can translate into actual money for you. Now here's the cool thing. You don't need to have a massive existing following to start live streaming on TikTok. Even if you're just starting out, your live sessions can reach a wider audience. It's all about infusing creativity into your content and capturing people's attention. Whether you want to sing, dance, share your thoughts, or showcase your unique talents, the choice is yours. So if you're searching for an option that doesn't demand an established fan base and you're ready to unleash your creativity, TikTok live streaming could be your avenue. It's like hosting your very own live show where you engage with viewers and have the opportunity to earn money through their support. If you're up for a fresh and exciting adventure, this might just be the perfect ticket for you to explore. Having said these things, let's touch on a couple of important points. First, remember that when it comes to making money online, creativity often trumps having a lot of money to start with. You don't necessarily need a big budget to kick things off. What matters is your ability to think outside the box and come up with innovative ways to stand out. Whether you're considering YouTube, e-commerce, print on demand, freelancing, or TikTok live streaming, your unique ideas and approaches can be your greatest assets. Furthermore, don't hesitate to experiment and try new things. The online world is full of possibilities, and there's no one-size-fits-all formula for success. Embrace the opportunity to explore different avenues, test out various strategies, and learn from the results. Whether you're dipping your toes into content creation, setting up an online shop, offering your skills as a freelancer, or going live on TikTok, each experience adds to your journey and insights. So while you consider these options, keep in mind that your willingness to think creatively and your openness to trying new approaches can play a significant role in your online money-making adventure. And that's a wrap for today's video, Luxo lovers. We hope you found these insights helpful as you explore different ways to make money online. If you have any thoughts or questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this content, show your support by giving us a thumbs up, sharing this video with your friends, and subscribing to Luxo-Life for more informative and engaging content. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.